Okay, very good afternoon here on the 16th of July 2018. Rishi Patel, co-founder, Master of the Markets, the Elite Traders Conference and the Traders Open Day. And a warm welcome into this update video here on the live trading room positions at this time. So you'll currently see, if I hop across to the trade tab, there are no current trades running at this time. We had a total of 5 trades running on the live trading room at one point last week, which I did update you all on Friday. And if you look carefully across the various trades that we were running, they have now been taken out on trailing stop losses. So they've been taken out on trailing stop losses, and we can review and see and understand what the results have been from those trades that we did take. On this occasion, you will see that there have been some very small losses incurred, and that's a good thing because it tells us that a trailing stop loss system is working to minimize the downside losses from these trade opportunities. Let's take a look at the trade journal. When you look at the trade journal just here, you'll see that on the various trade opportunities that we did take into last week, you will see just here, let's go to the liftoff 3.0 cash. You'll see that we are stopped out on trailing stop losses. Take a look at, first of all, let's take a look at euro dollar, which is trade number 16, stopped out at 11700. There you'll see it on the trading account as well, just here, stopped out at 11700, hit its trading stop for a profit of £234.45. Then what happened with the next position up? So let's have a look at what the next position was. Of course, that is the Aussie dollar against the US dollar. Now, if you remember, I did mention last week that I had made a little mistake on that, and I had to increase a second trade on there to make up the correct position size. Take a look. We were stopped out on a trailing stop loss into the early part of this morning. Just here you can see at 3:36 a.m. We were taken out on the trailing stop on that Aussie dollar. 0.7428 is the trailing stop on that Aussie dollar, giving us a loss of around just above 100, just a little more than 130 pounds, representing a 0.25%. There it is. You can see 0.24% minus is where the Aussie dollar took us out from. Let's look at finally the pound against the US dollar, which here is taking us out for a loss of 360 pounds and at 132.49. Again, if you look at our trade journal, 132.49 is where we exited the market, or a 0.64% loss. So all in all, for the month of July, you can see we stopped this trade on the dollar yen, also was taken out on a trading stop on the 4th of July, just there, Independence Day. And there you go. You can see a total this month so far on the Liftoff 3.0 trading strategy of minus 0.15%. So we are down on the Liftoff strategy cash tab and the system tab as well, match exactly. So 0.15% loss so far for the month of July on the Liftoff 3.0. Can you see the genius behind how these losses have been kept small? Take a look from trade number 11, which banked out a full 3% profit, then a minus 0.5% loss, minus 0.01, 3% profit just here on this Aussie dollar. Again, look at how large the profits are compared to the losses, and that is what this system does at its best. If we go over to Money Bars, you'll see, let's bring open the Money Bars account statement. You can see if we scroll to the bottom just there, you'll see we were taken out of the Euro US dollar on target, £2,446, and you can see we were also taken out on a trailing stop on the pound dollar for £53.89 worth of upside profit just there. Take a look at this one. At this time you'll see it on this pound dollar. Let's take a look on this one, the trade journal. For that £53 profit, you'll see it is racked up just here with a 0.03% profit, and that of course is our realized trade profit from that pound dollar. So we're out on that one as well. The Money Bars for the month of July is up 2.49%, and of course, as you know, we can look at all of this collated just there. The Liftoff 3.0, the Money Bars 2.0, all these systems have come together to give us a net profit so far this month, this year so far, 6.91%. Of course, integrating gold bars, 9.99% of upside system profit just there. So that, of course, if you look at it on an equity curve, looks a little bit like this. Don't forget that the blue line is the cash curve, that is our cash performance, and the red line is our system performance, the system coming in at 3.99% at this time, and the cash 13.56%. So 3.57% variance between the two. Our cash is outbeating our system at this time, and you can see that is being tracked here month by month on the system and cash tab. So that is an update here from the live trading room. So you'll see for the month of July so far, what is our net profit at this time. Month of July, of course, the net profit on both cash and system is only a 0.33% at this time. So a slower month in the live trading room this month. We were expecting some of those trades to run to their profit target, but they didn't. They turned around. You can see that on the charts just here. You can see the fact that they did turn around. The Aussie dollar also moved against us as well. It also turned around there as well. Here you can see it's dipping back lower. It took us out on the trading stop. We are out on those opportunities. So we will look for new trades to get involved in. But at this time, there's nothing else for us to assess or to look into by way of these trade opportunities. So nothing for us into today to take that's going to be new. And we have capped the downside on these trade opportunities, which is, of course, what our goal is as traders. That's it from me at this time. Until the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master. Bye for now.